Oh. All right, y'all. We're about to get funky with the entire military, but don't get mad. It's all love, just jokes. Unless you in the Air Force, then you already know we got central air and snack bars, baby. All right, now, gather round. Before we tear this stage up like a barracks inspection gone wrong, we got love for every branch. But tonight, we letting the funk do the ranking. Army out there doing PT at 4 a.m., but can't find their socks in the field pack. Marines, strong like oxen, but you asked one to fix a printer and the whole building explodes. Navy, sailing the 7 seas with Wi-Fi slower than molasses in a snowstorm. Coast Guard, out there wrestling jet skis, looking at heroic and floaties in the Air Force. Well, we got Netflix, brunch, and climate control. Don't be mad, we earned that Wi-Fi password. Troop single beats is in the building. Tonight we funk for every vet who ever laced boots. But we funkin' harder if you packed a pillow and brought your own latte. Let's go! Yeah! The Army rolls deep with their camouflage life, but they get lost on base looking for Wi-Fi. Sarge got them running at 5 a.m., then forgets what he said and starts again. They build the base and break it down, march in circles till they fall down. Army strong, no doubt that's fact, but they still fighting over which hat to wear with the pack. Always up early, the Army do. Oh God, no say, the Army crew. Funky and brave, we salute you all, but y'all sleeping tense while we ball in the hole. Air Force, Air Force. Now, the Marines got biceps for days, but can't spell reservations when they try to get paid. Loud and proud, first to fight, but can't turn in paperwork right. They do push-ups just for fun, shirtless at the beach, yelling, "Hoorah, son!" Tough as nails, lean and mean, but don't ask them to fix the printer machine. Call who yellow, roar in their sleep. Oh, who got more muscles than some sound? Now the Navy floats, but half can't swim, and they still get seasick when the waves kick in. On ships for months with no fresh air, talking about when we dock, bruh, I need a chair. Dress real sharp, salute on sight, but they lost half the crew in the engine light. Respect to the fleet, but hear my plea, who needs 12 ranks just to make ED3? Oh, who shows up in the fresh uniform? Hey, who can't find land on GPS? Now the Coast Guard's wild, yeah, they save them lives, but don't let them near a real firefight. Catching smugglers, fishing boats, and telling everybody they're just as dope. Rescue divers with the Baywatch charm, but get mad if you call them Navy lie to do real harm. They patrol the coast, yeah, they do it smooth, but on karaoke night they can't keep a groove. Approach and save that ship. Grab that boy, grab that shit, grab that boy. Toe. Then there's us, Air Force fly. We got Starbucks in our base, not gonna lie. Sleeping in dorms with memory foam.